Hey everybody, it's the most wonderful time for a little stress relief. You know how they say timing is everything? Well, in the case of family gatherings, it's more like late timing is everything. Trust me, showing up fashionably late is a strategic maneuver that'll save you from the initial onslaught of holiday chaos. Think about it. By the time you arrive, all the awkward greetings are out of the way. The initial frenzy has died down, and everyone's already had a couple of glasses of holiday cheer. You'll waltz in like a cool breeze, all relaxed and ready to party. Plus, you'll avoid that whole awkward small talk phase while everyone's waiting for Aunt Carol's famous casserole to finish baking. Who needs that, right? Listen, I'm not saying you should buy your family's love, but a little strategic baking never hurt anyone. Bringing a crowd-pleasing dish is like the culinary equivalent of a get-out-of-jail-free card. Whether it's your grandma's famous cookies, a decadent chocolate cake, or even just a store-bought pie, we won't tell. A delicious treat will instantly make you the most popular person in the room. Suddenly, those awkward questions about your love life disappear, replaced by compliments on your baking skills. "When did you get so good at this?" they'll say. Just smile mysteriously and say, "It's a gift." Wink. The secret signal. Your escape route from awkward conversations. Okay, picture this. You're trapped in a conversation with your great-aunt Mildred, who's determined to tell you all about her cat's latest hairball incident. You're desperately searching for an escape route, but it's like she's got you in a conversational headlock. That's where the secret signal comes in. Before the gathering, establish a subtle signal with your partner, sibling, or understanding friend. A cough, a raised eyebrow, a discreet tug on the earlobe, whatever works for you. This way, when you're in desperate need of rescue, your accomplice can swoop in with a perfectly timed distraction. "Oh hey," saying your name. "I need your help in the kitchen," they'll say. "You can thank me later." Game on. Distract and conquer with a healthy dose of competition. You know what they say, a family that plays together avoids talking about politics together. A little friendly competition is the perfect way to keep everyone entertained and prevent any heated debates from breaking out. Break out the board games, charades, or even a good old-fashioned game of Pictionary. Suddenly, everyone's too busy trying to draw a convincing picture of a dancing hippopotamus to ask you about your 5-year plan. Plus, you can channel your inner child and get really, really into it. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent for charades. Just try not to get too competitive. Or it's the holidays. The Irish goodbye. Leaving before things get weird. Okay, you've made it through the initial chaos, charmed everyone with your culinary skills, and successfully avoided any major family drama. You're a holiday rock star. But now it's getting late, the eggnog's running low, and you can sense things starting to take a turn for the weird. This, my friends, is your cue to execute the Irish goodbye. You know, the art of slipping out unnoticed before anyone can say, "Wait, where are you going?" It's the ultimate move for avoiding any late-night meltdowns or awkward goodbyes. Just casually excuse yourself to use the restroom and then, poof, you're gone. Vanished like a ninja in the night, leaving behind nothing but a faint scent of gingerbread and happy memories. There you have it, folks. My top secret, totally foolproof tips for not just surviving, but actually thriving during those holiday family gatherings. With a little humor, a dash of strategy, and a whole lot of holiday cheer, you'll be the envy of all your relatives. They'll be wondering, how do they do it? How are they always so calm, so collected, so darn funny? And you'll just smile knowingly, because you've got the secret weapon, laughter. So go forth, my friends, and spread the joy. Have a happy, hilarious, and hopefully stress-free holiday season.